Hi, I'm Ashley, registered dietitian and personal trainer with the Kroger family of stores. Happy New Year! If your New Year's resolution involves you getting fit, staying healthy, or exercising more, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through an easy workout that you can accomplish right in your home. Creating fitness goals should come with some form of progression involving cardio and strength training. It's important to start small and build for physical change. With this circuit, I'll be showing you a few different ways that you can progress the movements as you get more comfortable. If you're working out for less than an hour, water is an appropriate beverage. If you're working out for more than an hour, you want to make sure that you grab an electrolyte solution to refuel properly. For this workout, you'll need a kitchen towel, 2 dumbbells or 2 canned goods, a yoga mat, a stopwatch, or a phone. First up, walkouts. You want to make sure that you go out into a plank and push back up and stand tall. This is the beginner, but you can make it advanced by adding a push-up in. When you do the push-up, make sure to keep your elbows in. This exercise targets your abs, your hamstrings, and your arms. Next movement is called step-ups. You could do this on your stairs at home. All you're gonna do is go ahead and step up and drive your knee up. This is for beginner. If you're advanced, go ahead and grab your dumbbells and add some weight. Make sure that you're staying tight in your core so that you're balanced throughout the exercise. Alternate your legs, doing a total of 10 reps. Next exercise is a plank or a sliding plank. For beginner, position yourself in a plank position, keeping your bottom down. You're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. For advanced, go ahead and grab that kitchen towel, put it under your feet, and slide in, squeezing your knees together and keeping your core tight. Next up, we have a squat and push press. You wanna make sure that you stand shoulder width apart and position your hands and dumbbells like this. Go ahead and squat and drive up. For advanced, go ahead and add a hop in between. Make sure you do 10 reps. After your workout is complete, you want to make sure that you consume something within 30 minutes. This is the optimal time to fully nourish your body after exercise. Consuming at least 30 grams of carbohydrates and 15 grams of protein is an appropriate amount to stick to a 2-to-1 carb to protein ratio. A good example of this is our Kroger Greek yogurt for some protein and our Simple Truth whole grain granola and fruit for complex carbohydrate. For another post-workout alternative, you can use our Simple Truth whey protein powder to pack into your smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this workout video. Make sure to check back for more videos. Bye.